welcome back to my channel. This is the before of my dress. This is an old dress I made for myself a couple years ago, maybe like 8 years ago, for an all-white party. And I was like, how can I revamp it? So I decided to spray paint it red. But yeah, I spray painted it red because I wanted to wear all red to my party with a hint of gold. So this is me spray painting it outside of my balcony. And then I wanted it to like sparkle, so I put like this glitter fabric glitter paint thing on there. It didn't really come out. I mean, it came out, but it was just like all over the place. If you can see on the blanket, it's like everywhere. But it some of it stick to it. And then I use a hot glue gun and just add some embellishments on there. I was gonna do it all over, but then I got tired, so I just did it on the front. But it still turned out cute. And this part, I just added some gold trimmings that I got from Michael's, I think it was. It was like a gold situation. This skirt was something I made for my birthday, my 32nd birthday. I had on all gold. And I was like, I want like a little mermaid tail. So I just sewed the skirt on the dress. This is afterwards. I love how it turned out. I made that crown too, but I didn't record myself doing it because I was on the phone and I just kind of like just grabbed everything and started making a crown. But I used like old jewelry and like this old sequin dress that I had and just cut it up and just started creating. But this is my dress, guys. I also created that flower jacket. I think I have a tutorial on how I did a bag like that, but just basically gluing flowers on the old jacket. Now this is my centerpiece for my party. I had fun making these stuff, but I was at my mom's house and I was like, I need to make me a centerpiece. But I got all this stuff from Dollar Tree except for the flowers, like all these like vases and stuff. I just glued them together and it really lasts, like glued together and just created a centerpiece. And then I used foam heads that you're supposed to use for wigs because it's cheaper than an actual foam ball. But yeah, that's a little DIY hack. But just stick the flowers on the head and this is how it turned out. I really love my decoration. Like, this is all my favorite colors: red, gold, well, just red and gold. I like black too, but red and gold.